Welcome to Anything Bikes, Debs here, and today we're doing issue 62. So, very exciting. Let's have a look what we have today. So, Sepang, 2006, another one for the record. At the Malaysian Grand Prix in 2006, Valentino scored his 85th victory. Wow. That's a lot of victories. Let's wave him. Valentino and Loris battled it out throughout the Grand Prix, and just when it looked like Capirossi was about to win on the line, Rossi pulled another one of his tricks. Perfect. Okay. Okay. 2005 winter testing helmet. Don't know if you can see that. But it's got temperatures. Basically, optimal cleaning. Temperature of 46 degrees was recommended. And Rossi's 6 titles were represented in forms of stains. What an amazing helmet. Okay, so we have electronic control units. We're getting very electrical now today. Oh, wow. We'll see how long this takes us to do. Yeah, hopefully I can follow it okay. 2008 season race by race, the German Grand Prix. So that was July 13th, 2008. Amazing. Lovely. So, shall we start? Very exciting. Let's do it. Right, we need the bag with the, let's leave that, electronic control units. That locks it. So it's this bag. Let's get it all out. Yeah. Chuck that. Look what we've got. I don't like getting these. So, wow. That looks interesting. Let's see what we've got. So, A, which is in this bag here. Let's keep that. See if, oh, that's tiny. That's tiny. Let's not lose them. Right, so central brake control unit, which is A, which is this. And that is plastic. That looks interesting. Okay, so we have central brake control unit. B, lambda sensor control unit. We've had lambda sensors before, I think. The name rings a bell. But I can't remember where we put them or what they were about. So, yeah. My memory's crap. So this is what we've got. This is plastic too. Okay. So we put that there. 55mm tube. One looks thinner than the other. I don't know if you can see that on camera. So a lot. They're both the same length, practically. But one's thicker than the other. But them side by side. See, one's thicker than the other. Okay, so we've got a 55 and a 45 millitube. So C looks like the thicker one. Looks like it's supposed to be the longer one. Maybe in the 45 millimeter is the thinner one. We'll have to work that out. It'll be interesting to work that out. And then E, we've got two connectors, which are these. They are absolutely tiny. Wish I had something to show you how small they actually are. They are really, really small. Okay, so that's E. And then F is control unit sensor. That's that. And it's plastic too. Beautiful red. Okay. Right. Shall we see what we're doing? Right, so step 1, install the lambda sensor control unit, which is B. So that's that one we want first. I'm going to move them out my way. On the back of the engine block in the centre of the frame, arrows in the photo show how the two holes in the control unit fit onto the locating pins extending from the engine block, circled in yellow. Okie dokie. Right. Takes a coffee for that. Let's get the engine unit. There we go. Put that out the way. I think I'm going to get this because it's thick. And I don't want to break anything on the engine. Right, so I'm going to have a look to see which way they want it. So, oops, let's just come off from there. See how easy it is for things to come off. Maybe we should have glued. Right, so we have this here, we've got that there, and then what have we got? So got that there, we've got those two there. Don't know if you can see that. Got those two there. That's where I think it's going. Two holes in the control fit onto the locating pins. So those silver are the locating pins. And it's which way does it go? That's the two where the locating pins go. And I believe it goes that way. I can't see it if I do it that way. Right, let's see if I can show you. No, I can't see what I'm doing. Right, so I've just attached that in there. Don't know if you can see that. Can you see it on this camera? Okay, so, and that's the picture there. Perfect. Right, that's that done. So, step 3, you've already fitted the ends of 4 tubes onto the right hand side of the model, and this artificially coloured diagram shows how to route the tubes and then connect them to the control unit. The red and yellow colours of the tubes correspond to the circles in step 2. Step 4. This diagram shows how to attach the 3 tubes you've already fitted on the left hand side of the model. Here too, the purple and green colours of the tubes correspond to the circles in step 2. So, we are the left hand side. Is it my left? It must be. Actually, that's my right. So it's from these here. So it's my right. They're attached. So it's these 2, is it? Do they go through? Right there, attached. That's not attached. Oh well. Where's that one? Right. So it's this side. Is it these 2? It's not the right picture, but so I'm assuming they go in like that. Two red ones. And that goes on there. And then this one through there. And that attaches. And there. Whoa, that's done, look. There's 2. Hit that one as well. Right, order the ends of the 4 tubes on the right hand side of the model. This code shows how to route the tubes and then connect them to the control unit. So that's 2. one goes on there. To make that bigger, I think. Yeah, let's get can't see a thing, sorry, and I have to add. Ah, that's better. Struggling. Right, see if I can do it. Right, so that's the right hand side. So the 3 tubes over on the left hand side, they go 1, 2, 3. Where's that? That's the right. They go on that one. So we've got 1. Maybe not that one, so it might be these 3 tubes. So let's put that one. Let's go back to this. Yeah, I can see that better. Sorry, you're not going to see this very well on film, but I can't see what I'm doing. Let's make them a bit bigger. So this one, and this one here, which is tiny. That one. Right, okay, so let's look. Start by connecting the tubes that are coloured in yellow in step 3 of the diagram. If necessary, secure them to the pins on the control unit with a little glue. Right, upper lambda sensor, lower lambda sensor. Yeah, so we've done that, haven't we? Then connect the tubes coloured red on the diagram in step 3. Connect the tube from the upper lambda sensor to the pin on the right. The tube from the second lower sensor goes to the pin on the left. So what are we talking about? There's no more tubes.
You've done it.
Oh, okay.
It's telling you which ones you should be putting which holes.
Ah, okay, yeah.
So
Perfect. Okay. So now take the tube on the left-hand side and start by connecting the one coloured green in the diagram in the step 4 to the pin shown here. Oh, so this is telling me, right, okay, so there, I've done it. So, final result, finally connect the 2 tubes of the lambda sensors that are coloured purple in the step 4 diagram. Tube from the upper sensor must be connected to the pin on the left. While the tube from the lower sensor goes to the pin on the right. The picture shows the control unit in place with all 7 tubes connected. Keep the other unused parts carefully as you'll need them. So I fitted it. Right, I might not have fitted them in the exact thingies, but they're all fitted where it's indicating, which is brilliant. Okay, that was easier than I thought it was going to be. I thought it'd be here for hours. Right, so I don't know if you can see that or not, but it is done. Right. I don't know how to put it down. Right, so that is issue 62. Wow, all done and finished. Phew. Yeah, that was a bit anxiety provoking, but good. So, thank you for joining me for issue 62, and I hope you will join me for issue 63. And again, please subscribe, like and share. Make any comments in the comment box below, and I'll look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you. Bye.